Hey guys, what's going on? So today I will show you how to recover your deleted Google account. So this will be quick and easy, so let's have it. So first you want to go to google.com and search for how to recover deleted Google account. From the results, click on the first link and click on the first link that says follow the steps to recover your account. Now provide your email address and click on next. Now from here, it says that this account is deleted. Now let's click on next and type in your password. Now in here it says you successfully unlocked your account. Now click on continue and you can see that you recovered your Gmail account. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.